What's up? Welcome back to Anki. Linear algebra, that is. No flashcards due today, so what are we going to do? We're going to grade what we did yesterday, then we're going to do more problems today. So I'll be back in a bit. Alright guys, we got the big Gauss-Jordan elimination question from 1.2 correct. 13A, we got that correct. That was converting a matrix, it's called a matrix equation. I guess that is what you'd call it, a matrix equation. Matrix form of a linear system back into a linear system. Got that, not bad. 15, this one where we had to identify the unknown value to make this equation true. Got that correct. 17, we did not get correct. This is column row expansion. How are we going to remember column row expansion? Well, it's pretty simple actually. Column row, column from the first matrix times the row of the second matrix. It's C1 times R1 plus C2 times R2 ... plus Cn or Cr times Rr or Rn. So I think I got this one correct, but I'm gonna leave it for tomorrow to see, double check. And then linear combinations, I was getting tripped up with this one, so I had to use Quizlet, but eventually I figured out linear combinations a lot better. You don't necessarily need to have a coefficient stated. It can just be one. It really is just about adding a bunch of column vectors, I believe. Okay, so now I'm gonna go do another practice problem, so I'll be back in a bit. All right guys, so we're doing another practice problem from 1.2, coming back to do a little review. We're basically having to solve a linear system with just constants. So I believe I'm doing this correctly, where I'm just keeping the constants the way they are. I'm not solving for the constants. We're solving with the constants. So that's it for today. Talk to you guys later. See ya.